Welcome back, everyone, to Beautiful Experiences for You, and I did it again. I've got wantable boxes to share with you. I think this is like the fifth, maybe sixth opportunity I have given them to actually listen to my comments. What are my comments? My comments are, do not give me any shirts that have short sleeves or are sleeveless. And when I mean short sleeves, I even am now saying down to the elbow. I need sleeves to the elbow because I don't like my arms. Do they ever listen? No. So I did it again. I ordered more boxes. So let's dig into them. So what do I have here? I have the limited edition Coastal Club edit. I have got the Summer Social limited edition style edit. I'm not sure what this third one is. And I think I even have 2 more boxes coming, you guys. I know, I'm really giving them opportunities to prove me wrong here. So let's dive into this first box and see what they sent me. The first box I am diving into is the one, I don't know if it's themed or not. It should show me or tell me here, I think. Oh, it is. Okay. So the first box is the limited edition Best Sellers Style edit. Now, I will say that I did pick some items. I think, at least for all of these, that I would have liked to see in my box. So I guess you could say, I think their term is that you requested items. So I don't know what actually made it in these boxes or not. So, best sellers, here we go. Opening up. So what's first in here must be some jewelry. Okay. Let's see here. Nice little pretty box. Ooh, I'm thinking it's a bracelet. You know, guys, I'm really into bracelets now. So let's see. Okay. So it's just a basic band. All right. So, you know, nothing fancy, but it's classic. I will say that it is classic. I will do the prices here at the end of each box, only because I don't want to know what's in the boxes. Like, I don't want to mess up the surprise. Next. Okay, so we got a sweater. I'm gonna move this camera back here real quick. All right, so we got the sweater. Now I will say that, you know, we're going into summer, even though it is June 1st and I have a sweatshirt on, you guys, because it's cold here. If I don't absolutely love the item and it is a warmer weather item, I don't want to keep it right now. You know, I don't want to pay the money for it right now. So that isn't my style. So I'm just not going to keep it. But let's say it was my style. I probably wouldn't keep it anyway, just because of the weather. All right, next item. All right, they listened to the sleeves. So it is a shirt. It's got here. So it is a it is a lighter weight shirt. The brand is Mystery Tree. It's not my style. Just not my style. I don't wear a lot of white because I will get things dirty. So that one, I'm not feeling that item either. But I'll give it to them. We got longer sleeves, you guys. All right, this next item. Okay. It's just a blouse. I do like the color. I'm worried that this opening right up here is gonna be too big on me. The brand is 78 and Sunny. Now, I will say, I do like it though. You know, I do like it, but I think it's going to be too big for me. And I definitely think this is way too big. I mean, look at that, you guys. I think that's way too big for me. But, um, you know, I like it though. They do have where you can get additional sizes. And they do have the price on here. So if the price is what the tag says, it's $59. I don't know, you guys. I'm on the fence about that one. Well, one, I couldn't keep it because of the size. I would definitely have to get a new size. All right, next item. This is one I think I actually requested. And what's funny is I just said I don't like white because I'll get things dirty. But you guys, I think I did request this. So it's also a 78 and sunny. And it is a sweater. Now, it's a sweater, yes. But it is a very, very lightweight sweater. See what I'm saying? And going into the office, you gotta have a lightweight sweater, you guys. It's just too cold in there. So this is a stripe crew neck sweater in Jetstream Blue Quartz, $69. It's kind of pricey for that, but I will say that, I mean, prices are going up, you guys. So this, I think, is going to be a maybe. One is, it's more see-through than I was expecting it to be. Moving on. Also by 78 and Sunny. I'm wondering, is that the Wantable brand? I don't know. Another sweater. Here. So that's kind of like how the top is. Now, this, I don't know. The reason I'm saying I don't know is that comes down very, very low. So I'm going to try to figure out the camera around here so you can see this better. All right. So I don't know, you guys. I'm worried that this is going to be too low, but it's kind of an oatmeal color and I do like it. I do like it. And again, you know how I said on the sweaters, must really like it to keep it since it's supposed to be summertime. This is $74. I don't know if I'm going to keep it for $74, but this is going to be a maybe, you guys. There's still, I'm going to move this up here. There's still more in the box. The next, I think, is going to be 100% no just by the feel and the weight of it. It is a blazer. So the brand is Liverpool. It has got cuffed sleeves and it does have, I don't know if you can see, so it's got the line down the front, it's got a pocket. All right, this. Ooh, and I like it's got pockets. Oh, that's not on the inside. It's got pockets on the, well, no. All right, there's got to be a way that that pocket truly, so look, true pocket here. You can't, how do you access the pocket, you guys? You guys, the pocket doesn't open. You can't access the pocket. No, that can't be. All right, pocket. You guys, why would they have a fake pocket? Why would they have a fake pocket? That makes no sense, you guys. There's no way to get in this pocket. Okay, regardless. Back on topic, Terry. I'm actually going to try this on. I love the color. Every time that I do need jackets like this for work, I struggle to actually find one that I like and that fits. So I'm actually going to try it on and see what it looks like. Because to have it, oops, my poor little Emmy over here is struggling to get into the window. Because you never know when you're going to need it. All right, next, also by Liverpool. I think I requested this. It is a skirt. It is. It's a skirt. I do love this. I think it's super, super cute. And I think I actually got something like this in a prior box and sent it back because I didn't need it at that time. And I'm thinking I didn't like the price of it. So this is $89, you guys. I don't know. That's awful pricey. It's in the maybe. So they're doing good, you guys. They're doing good. Next is white shorts by Democracy. I bought a pair of these from, or I kept a pair of these from the last box. I wore them on vacation. I absolutely loved them. They are white shorts. Gosh, you guys, white shorts. That's a maybe. That is a maybe. And I have one last item in the box. And it's a pair of jeans. So the brand is Horizon. And I mean, there's nothing really overly fancy about the jeans, but I will say I do need some new jeans. These are $89 as well. Okay. And that is all that's in this box. And I am looking for, let's go through all the pricing. So this is the limited editions best sellers. Okay. It's funny because when you look at the top, order note, no sleeveless. Account note, never sleeveless. Says, I loved your request for elbow length sleeves and those coastal Hampton vibes. So I will say she listened. So this is Brittany is the stylist. Thank you, Brittany, for listening to me. Very happy about that, actually. So the off the shoulder, oh, okay. So this is definitely going to be a not keep. Where did I put it, you guys? Okay, here we go. I'm going to put all of this stuff here. So this is actually an off the shoulder top. I don't wear off the shoulders. I'm just not comfortable with them. So that is going to be a definite not keep. That was a $59. The Breeze V-neck sweater. And apparently I did request this one. And it is $74. This is a maybe because that's, even though I knew apparently the price because I requested it. The boyfriend blazer is again from Liverpool, and this is an $89.25. This is a maybe. The high rise utility shorts, white. I requested these. They are $68. Maybe. You guys, I'm actually shocked on all these maybes. Then we have Angie mid-rise boyfriend jeans, which are here. These are $89, and maybe. The cargo skirt, I did request this, $89. Gosh, you guys, there's no way I'm gonna be able to keep all this stuff. Then the puff sleeve contrast top in off-white, $69. This is way overpriced, you guys. This top. $69, that's way overpriced. The crew net sweater, I requested this as well. And $69, that's a maybe. And the long sleeve ombre cardigan in pink, $89. I think this is too expensive, you guys, as well. Now, the bangle is actually keep one item, get this item free. Hello, it looks like I'm probably gonna be keeping this bangle. It's a $42 item. So if you keep 5 items, you get a discount. If you keep 5 or greater items, you get a discount. So I'm gonna have to figure out how this works because, so the whole merchandise total of everything is $695. There's 9 items. if you keep 5 or more, they're saying you get a discount. So it says keep 5 plus discount of a discount of $139. Then you subtract the styling fee, which was $21.40. They add sales tax. So the entire order is $573. Now, it does say keep 5 items or more and you get 20% off. And I'm interested in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And I'm gonna do some hardcore math right here in my head, as you can see, my little Emmy Lou. 410, I'm gonna go 500. So 500, you take 20% off, that makes it 400. And then, so 30, so we're looking at $400 to keep the items I want. I don't know, you guys, I don't know. I do not know. I will do a whole separate video, you guys, of what I actually kept. How about that? Okay, so that is the Wantable Box 1. I am going to go ahead and stop here, and I am going to do 3 separate videos so that it is easier for you guys to watch them. And then I'm going to do a 4th video that says this is what I kept of those boxes, because I don't want to lose your guys' attention. But this box again was the limited edition Best Sellers Style Edit. It was $21.40 for them to style the box and to send the box to me. If I keep 5 or more items, I get 20% off. I also get to discount the price I paid for the style edit, and they have free returns. This box, I am very happy with, you guys. Very happy. Wantable, I'm happy with you. All right, you guys, stay tuned for video 2. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.